Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the BMW M4 logo in Car Parking Multiplayer. First, select a new car and head into the Customization menu. Choose a base color for your vehicle that will make the logo stand out clearly. This initial step ensures you have a clean canvas to work on before adding any decals or shapes for the logo design. Next, let's create the iconic BMW roundel. Start with a large black circle for the outer edge. Then, add a slightly smaller white circle directly inside it. Now, use two thin rectangles to divide this inner white circle into 4 equal sections. These quadrants will later be colored blue and white, forming the classic emblem. Now, we'll add the M and 4 elements. Find the M letter decal in your game's library and place it carefully. Then, locate the number 4 decal and position it right beside the M. Ensure both are scaled appropriately and aligned perfectly to match the authentic BMW M4 badge design. Finally, it's time to finalize your BMW M4 logo. Group all the individual shapes and letters you've created into one single unit. This makes it much easier to scale and move. Adjust the overall size to fit your car perfectly, then apply the complete logo to your chosen location on the vehicle. Step back and admire your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.